welcome to my channel IT Smart Training. Now we are going to start to deploy a Fortinet Firewall in our virtual environment. For virtual environment we are using VMware Workstation. At first you have to download the Fortinet Firewall virtual appliance from Fortinet website. You got a free trial download from that website. You have to register at first from Fortinet Firewall website, then you got download the Fortinet virtual environment. So this is the OVF file zip. I just extract here. It's extracted some files. Some are the hard disk file. This vmdk extension is for hard disks. So if we want to install Fortinet Firewall in VMware workstations, we have to run this setup. Just double click on it, just accept license and agreement, next, just import. If you want to change the location of the file, you can change, but I set the default location. At first I set at first I just power on the virtual machine. Let's check this virtual machine is starting or not. VMware workstation is starting. Firewall is booting up. Actually this firmware is installed in a Linux based OS. It's take few minutes to start. It's take few minutes to start. Almost done. It's just formatting the hard disk. Yeah, see, the firewall is on. So the username is admin. I have to click here, admin. By default Fortinet Firewall is blank, I told you before. It's logged in. So at first we have to set an IP address for the Fortinet Firewall interface. To set a command show. Okay, CONE5GSYSTM config system interface. I type a command config system interface for interface configuration. See, this mode is configured. This mode is open. This mode is called interface configuration mode. Type show command. Here you can set the port number and how many ports you have configured. So I configured the port number 1. Type port edit port 1, edit port 1, show command. You can get the port 1 internal command. Now I set an IP address, set space IP 172.16.0. Sorry, 172.16.0.1 255.255.0.0 is the default subnet mask, and enter. Sorry, here is a mistake over here. Just enter. Can't change dynamic IP. So here is a getting an option because by default interface is configured with a dynamic IP address. So I have to change the port interface type to static. Set space mod static. Set mode static is if I configure set mode static, then it's automatically set the mode. You can say show. So this DHCP option is invisible. So now my port mode is set. So I can set a command like this. If I exit, I just type end command. So now I want to open the console for my physical host. So I just go to settings. I just change the adapter type to host only. Go to my ncpa.cpl, my interface configuration. Here is the host only network. By default VMware is configured. Go to properties, 172.16.0.2, 172.16.0.1. Just OK. Yes. Close. All configuration is done. Now I want to open that 172.16.0.1. See, the portal is open. By default blank letter. So this is the FortiGate VM64. This is the firewall console. By default the firmware version is of this Fortinet Firewall is 6.0.3. This is the latest one. So this is how we can configure Fortinet Firewall in a virtual environment. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos and like my videos. Thank you for watching.